Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with y'all this natural but glam, affordable drugstore makeup look. All these products I use, you can get from Walmart. Yep, you heard that right. You can get it from Walmart, and shout out to Walmart for sponsoring this video. Y'all, if y'all are interested in this affordable makeup look, please keep on watching. I am prepping my lids with this concealer to prepare for, you guessed it, an eyeshadow look. So today I'm taking the crayon case. This is the Box of Crayons palette, and I'm putting tan as my transition shade in and above my crease, and then deepening up my outer corner with the shade brown. And I'm just swiping this back and forth in the outer corner to kind of create a lightweight smoky eye. And then I'm going in with Deep Plum as well to deepen it up. Now to cut the crease, I'm going in with the same concealer, the L'Oreal Age Perfect Concealer, and just stamping out my crease. This is where we're going to put our color so we can have like a subtle, soft cut crease. And for the eyeshadow that I'm using today from the same palette, I'm taking the pink and the red shades. Both of these are vibrant matte shades that I'm layering on top of the concealer that we used to cut the crease. And then on top of that, I'm taking magenta, which is a shimmer reddish pink shade from the same palette as well. So I wanted to do a little bit of an eyeliner for you as well, since we have a dramatic eye. And then we're taking this Salon Perfect fully stacked lashes and adding them on top. So now that the eyes are done, now it's time to get into this face. So I'm taking my black opal foundation stick, and I like to use this to bronze / contour. This is a darker shade, which you'll see why in a moment why I use this, because for my tinted moisturizer, it was actually a shade or two too light. So I did mix a touch of darker foundation in to try and make this tinted moisturizer work. So you can see as you blend it out, it looks a lot more like my skin tone. And as we blend out the black opal foundation stick, it's going to create those natural shadows back in the face where I don't look too ashy. So that's a great way to make a lighter shade work for you. I'm so excited because I'm going to get the shade Coconut in this tinted moisturizer, because I'm gonna tell y'all at the end. I ain't gonna spoil my thoughts about it, but y'all, run, don't walk. Now for concealer, again, this is the same L'Oreal Age Perfect Concealer, and I am using this to highlight under the eye. Look at my face, y'all. Like, just look at it. It's the glow for me. So I'm blending it out with a brush and then going in up under the eye with a sponge to blend out my under eye. I love how this makeup is coming together, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Y'all see it. Look at the glow. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Hydra Perfect. This is their loose powder, hydrating loose powder, and this came with a little powder puff. So I used that to apply the powder under the eye and in all the areas where I used that concealer. So I'll show you guys like a flash test later in the video, but I went ahead and dusted off the excess powder with my e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. And now I'm taking the same shades that I used on the top of my lid underneath the eye to add a little bit of drama and kind of complete this bold eyeshadow makeup look. I also took the orange shade and put it in my inner corner just a little bit, and I'm taking my mascara to do my lower lashes. Last but not least, I'm taking this highlighter. This is the Master Chrome from Maybelline as well. And then we're doing the lips. So I'm lining my lips. And then I took my lip oil from Milani, as well as topping it with a lip lacquer from e.l.f. And this is the final look. Alright y'all, so I did my lips off camera, and I just used a e.l.f. lip liner, my e.l.f. lip lacquer in Love Bite, and my Milani Fruit Fetish lip oil in Strawberry Melon, and you can get the e.l.f. and Milani lip products at Walmart as well. But this is the finished look, y'all. I think it's giving. I'm glowing. Like, your girl look good. So let's get into my review of these products. So first and foremost, we have the box of crayons from the Crown Case. I definitely think this palette is for your makeup experimenters, the ladies who are gonna give you an eyeshadow look every other day. Now, if you're a neutral palette kind of girl like me and you rarely wear colors, this would be a great palette to like add to your collection if you ever need that pop of color. So it literally has pretty much every color of the rainbow. It has a mix of shimmers and mattes, and it also has 2 brown shades up here. So the brown shades are great for transition shades, but this is definitely a great palette to add to your collection if you need a pop of color. The mattes in this palette are definitely super pigmented, so if you're looking for that kind of eyeshadow in these colors, I would definitely check out this palette. As far as the makeup brushes, this particular brush set had almost majority, literally I think 27 of the 32 brushes were all like, or excuse me, about 25 of the 32 brushes were all kind of like your eye detail brushes, whether that's concealer brush, eyeshadow, brushes that you could use to apply glitter, that kind of thing. And there were about 2 fan brushes, 3 face brushes, a spoolie, and a brow comb slash brush. And so if you're looking for a beginner brush kit, like this might not be like for your face makeup, but if you're one of the girls who loves to do an eyeshadow look and is looking for more eyeshadow brushes, this brush set would be for you because it has so many brushes to use to do like eye makeup. So that's my feedback as far as the brush set. The quality of the brushes, the bristles were soft, they seem pretty sturdy, but outside of that, like I said, it's just majority eye detail brushes versus like actual face brushes if you're like want to do your foundation and stuff like that. Next up, we have what I would consider probably my 4 holy grails from this video, or excuse me, 5 holy grails from this video, starting with the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. So my face, as you can tell, is a little bit lighter than my body because I have my summer shade right now, and I don't know why I got 330, which is like kind of almost my winter shade. I should have tried 355 Coconut, which is more so my summer shade. But as far as the formula of this, I did mix a touch of a darker foundation with this just so it wouldn't be super light on my face, and as you can see, it's still a little bit lighter than my neck. But the formula of this is so hydrating. Like, it felt like I was just like moisturizing my face as I was blending this out, and I really like that. So I definitely am gonna go to the store tomorrow or someday this week to get this, but in a deeper shade, because I really like the formula on this. So 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend this one, and it's drugstore. Like, y'all can literally get all of these products at Walmart, okay? So next up, speaking of this tinted moisturizing products, next up I used this L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Concealer. And now this concealer was very moisturizing, but it wasn't cakey. It wasn't super creamy, but it also wasn't watery. It was like the perfect consistency for under the eye. I feel like my under eye looks lifted and literally like age perfected, because lately, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like I've been feeling like my under eye bags have been making me look super old, and this concealer definitely kind of conceals those bags and brightens up under the eye. I got the shade 255 Toffee Caramel, and this shade looks great for like bringing out those highlighted areas of the face. So I really like this concealer, and it blended chef's kiss. Okay, next up we have this L'Oreal Hydra Perfect. This is their perfecting loose powder, and y'all, I think I found the drugstore holy grail setting powder, because my face still looks hydrated and moisturized even though I'm like fully set. Like under the eyes, usually when I set, my under eye area looks a little dry, and it takes about an hour for my natural oils to kick in and I start looking radiant. But this, after the application, like my skin still looks radiant, it still looks hydrated. And I did a flash test. I'll put the picture up on the screen. I did a flash test and I don't see no flashback. So this right here, run, don't walk. Run to Walmart, don't walk, and get this powder, okay? And then next up is a holy grail that I've mentioned to you guys before, but I have not used in a while on my channel, and that is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in molten gold. When I tell y'all this metallic highlighter, the highlighting, okay? Like, I mean, the ultimate glow is what you see right now, okay? So if you need a highlighter, if you want to go and left your highlighter and you need to stop by Walmart and grab something, get this highlighter, because this highlighter is so pigmented, but it's not like that chunky glitter that looks like you're wearing a cheap highlighter. Like, this is affordable but high quality highlighter, so definitely get your hands on this. And one thing that I almost forgot to mention is these lashes. Like, these Salon Perfect lashes, double stack, full stack, fully stacked lashes. These lashes are natural but drama. Like, it's giving glam. It's giving natural glam. It's giving natural glam, which is what this tutorial is all about, this natural glam makeup look. And y'all, I'm just like, I'm literally obsessed, like obsessed with this face. Okay, I can't wait to go get my summer shade in this so I can really pop out on the girlies, okay? So y'all let me know if y'all have tried any of these products that I featured today in this video in the comment section below, and what other products you guys want me to try out as well. Again, big shout out to Walmart for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you guys so much, and y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye, y'all.
It's Slim Reshae, natural beauty. It's Slim Reshae, all about natural beauty. Yeah, Slim Reshae.